Hello students, today we will discuss about fat soluble vitamins. Vitamins are the organic compounds required in the diet in small amounts to perform specific biological functions for normal maintenance of optimal growth and health of organism. They are essential micronutrients. Bacteria like E. coli can synthesize them, however, higher organisms are not, so they have to obtain them from the diet. It is believed that during the course of evolution, the ability to synthesize vitamins was lost, hence the higher organisms have to obtain them from their diet. Hopkins coined the term accessory factors to the unknown and essential nutrients present in the natural foods. Funk then in 1913 coined the term vitamin with the spelling VITAMINE to the accessory factors. Later on, the term vitamin was continued without the final letter E. Many investigators carried out intensive research between 1915 and 1930 to identify various vitamins. There are about 15 vitamins essential for humans. They are classified as fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. The fat soluble category includes A. carotenoids, D, E and K vitamins, and water soluble are C and B group. The B complex vitamins may be subdivided into energy releasing, which include B1, B2, B6, biotin, etc., and hematopoietic vitamins like folic acid and B12. Most of the water soluble vitamins exert the functions through their respective coenzymes, while only one fat soluble vitamin, that is vitamin K, has been identified to function as a coenzyme. Vitamins are not synthesized in the body, however, the bacteria of the gut can produce some of them required by men and animals. These are the bacteria of mainly colon region which synthesize vitamins, where the absorption is relatively poor. Now, let us see about the fat soluble vitamins. In this module, I will be covering the chemistry, sources and recommended dietary allowance of these vitamins. 4 vitamins, namely vitamin A, D, E and K, are known as fat soluble vitamins. They are so named because of their solubility in fats, oils and fat solvents such as alcohol, acetone, etc. Their availability in the diet, absorption and transport are associated with fat. The body does not need these vitamins every day and stores them in the liver and adipose tissues. Their excess intake has toxic effects. Fat soluble vitamins will not be lost when the foods that contain them are cooked. All fat soluble vitamins are isoprenoid compounds because they are made up of one or more of 5 carbon units, namely isoprene units. Now, let us see about one of the fat soluble vitamins, that is vitamin A. In addition to helping the eyes adjust to light changes, vitamin A plays an important role in bone growth, tooth development, reproduction, cell division, gene expression and the regulation of the immune system. The skin, eyes and mucous membranes of the mouth, nose, throat and lungs depend on vitamin A to remain moist. Vitamin A is also important antioxidant that may play a role in the prevention of certain cancers. 3 forms of vitamin A are important for health. Retinol, it is a key player, it can be converted to other forms and it is a primary alcohol containing beta ion ring. The side chain has 2 isoprenoid units. It is present in animal tissues as retinyl ester with long chain fatty acids. Retinal is another form of vitamin A, which is aldehyde form obtained by the oxidation of retinol. Both are interconvertible. Retinoic acid is produced by oxidation of retinal. Beta carotene is a potent provitamin A. It is found in plant foods. It is cleaved in the intestine to produce two molecules of retinal. Sources of vitamin A are both animal as well as vegetable sources. Animal sources include liver, milk, egg yolk, etc. and the plant sources are carrots, green leafy vegetables, orange colored fruits like mango and apricots, etc. Whenever needed in the body, vitamin A is released from the liver. It is transported in the circulation by the plasma retinol binding protein, that is RBP. The daily requirement of vitamin A is expressed as retinol equivalents, that is RE. 1 retinol equivalent is equal to 1 microgram retinol or 6 microgram beta carotene. For adults, the RDA of vitamin A is around 1000 retinol equivalents for men and 800 retinol equivalents for women. Another fat soluble vitamin is vitamin D. It plays a critical role in the use of calcium and phosphorus in the body. It increases the absorption of calcium from small intestine and helps in forming and maintaining bones. It also benefits the body by playing a role in immunity and controlling cell growth. In children especially, adequate amounts of vitamin D is needed to develop strong bones and healthy teeth. It resembles sterols in structure and functions like a hormone. Major forms are D2 and D3. The animal version is vitamin D3 or cholecalciferol and the plant version is vitamin D2 or ergocalciferol. Both are similar in structure except that ergocalciferol has an additional methyl group and a double bond. Body cholesterol is also a precursor of vitamin D. During cholesterol biosynthesis, 7-dehydrocholesterol is formed as an intermediate. On exposure to sunlight, it is converted to cholecalciferol in the dermis and epidermis parts of the skin. Therefore, vitamin D is also referred to as sunshine vitamin. Synthesis of vitamin D3 in skin is proportional to sunlight. Melanin pigment adversely influences the synthesis of cholecalciferol. Vitamin D2 and D3 as such are not biologically active, but they are metabolized in the body and converted to active forms. Sources of vitamin D are fatty fish, fish liver oils, egg yolk, etc. It is provided in the body in 3 different ways. Number 1, exposure of skin to sunlight for its synthesis. Exposure to ultraviolet light is necessary for the body to produce the active form of vitamin D. 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight without sunscreen on the hands, arms and face twice a week is sufficient to receive enough vitamin D. Consumption of natural foods also provide vitamin D. Irradiation of foods like yeast that contain precursors of vitamin D and fortification of foods like milk, butter, etc. also gives vitamin D to the body. The daily requirement of vitamin D is 400 international units or 10 milligrams of cholecalciferol. Vitamin E is another fat soluble vitamin. It acts as an antioxidant and protects vitamin A and C, red blood cells and essential fatty acids from destruction. Several research studies suggest that intake of vitamin E help in preventing heart diseases and cancer. It is essential for normal reproduction in many animals, hence also known as anti-sterility vitamin. Vitamin E is the name given to a group of tocopherols and tocotrienols. About 8 tocopherols have been identified, such as alpha, beta, gamma, delta, etc. Among them, alpha tocopherol is the most active. The tocopherols are the derivatives of 6-hydroxychromane with isoprenoid side chain. The antioxidant property is due to the chromane ring. Plant sources of vitamin E are cereal grains, where it is found in germ, fruits, vegetables and seed oils such as soybean, corn, cottonseed and safflower oils. About 60% of vitamin E in the diet comes from vegetable oils. This also includes products made with vegetable oil such as margarine and salad dressing. It is also found in nuts like almonds and hazelnuts, sunflower seeds and fortified cereals. Animal sources include meat, milk, butter, eggs, etc. Intake of vitamin E is directly related to the consumption of polyunsaturated fatty acids, that is PUFA. A daily consumption of about 10 milligrams, that is 15 international units of alpha tocopherol for men and 8 milligrams, that is 12 international units for women is recommended. 1 milligram of alpha tocopherol equals to 1.5 international units. Another fat soluble vitamin is vitamin K. It is naturally produced by the bacteria in the intestines and plays an essential role in normal blood clotting, promoting bone health and helping to produce proteins for blood, bones and kidneys. It is the only fat soluble vitamin with a specific coenzyme function. Chemically, vitamin K refers to phylloquinone, that is vitamin K1, and several structurally similar molecules. There are 3 forms of vitamin K: K1, that is phylloquinone, which is found in chloroplast of plants; K2, that is menaquinone, which is produced by bacteria; K3, menadione, which is synthetic, complexed to improve stability. Sources of vitamin K include plant sources such as green leafy vegetables like turnip, greens, spinach, cauliflower, cabbage and broccoli, some vegetable oils including soybean oil, cottonseed oil, canola oil and olive oil, animal sources such as liver, milk, etc. It is also synthesized by bacteria in the gut. As far as RDA of vitamin K is concerned, strictly speaking, there is no RDA for vitamin K because it can be adequately synthesized in the gut. It is, however, recommended that half of the body requirement is provided in the diet, while the other half is met from the bacterial synthesis. Accordingly, the suggested RDA for an adult is 70 to 140 micrograms per day. Vitamins are a group of substances that are essential for normal cell function, growth and development. Chemically, they are organic compounds required in limited quantities. There are 15 essential vitamins needed for the functions of the body. They are grouped into two categories, fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are stored in the body's fatty tissue and they are vitamin A, D, E and K. Fat soluble vitamins will not be lost when the foods that contain them are cooked. Each of the vitamins has different chemical structure and diverse functions. They can be obtained from vegetable as well as animal sources. Dietary requirements for vitamins are expressed as recommended daily allowance, that is RDA. RDAs are said to meet the needs of 97 to 98% of healthy people. Mega doses of these vitamins can be toxic and lead to health problems.